So let me show you how to clone apps on your OnePlus 15. So you can actually clone some of the apps and have two versions of that same app running concurrently with two different accounts. So for instance, you can clone WhatsApp and have two WhatsApp accounts. You can clone Facebook Messenger and sign in to them with two different accounts and just use them concurrently. So if you go into settings and then go to apps, you should see app cloner. Tap on that. If it's the first time, you'll need to read the statement of use and then agree and continue. So you can see some of the apps that you'll be able to clone. So for instance, WhatsApp is one of them. So I can pick WhatsApp and enable the app cloner. So now you can see, if you want to, you can actually rename the cloned app, and also you can choose which is the default app. So for instance, if you have a link that takes you to WhatsApp, which of the two apps, either the original or the cloned version, should be your default. So you can choose all that here. So anyway, since WhatsApp has been cloned, now if I go to my app screen and look for WhatsApp, you'll see that I have two WhatsApp accounts. Okay, I have two WhatsApp applications. I can register, or I can sign in to both WhatsApp applications with two different accounts and run them concurrently. That is basically how to clone apps on your OnePlus 15. Thanks for watching. Good luck.